No third world country, only third world minds. Low trust in the system, low trust in the art. Rich land, poor thinking, gold in the ground, hunger in the town. Wake up now, build the trust, heal the land. We blame the West for everything we see, but tell me who stole from the local treasury? Who stole the road contract and built half the way? Who takes the bribe and turns the truth away? Who knows the law but still breaks the line? Who sees public office as a place to dine? Rich land, rich rivers, rich sun, rich rain, but low trust culture keeps repeating pain. One man builds, 10 men come to loot. Truth gets mocked while lies take root. Tribe over nation, ego over good. Everybody talks but few do what they should. From classroom cheating to the customs gate, from fake receipts to the doctor running late. No nation rises where honesty is small. You cannot build a future when trust cannot stand tall. If the contract is crooked, the road will not last. If the judge can be bought, the poor pay the cost. If the child learns lies, the future grows weak. A nation cannot rise when truth cannot speak. No third world land, only minds asleep. When trust breaks down, the people weep. Rich land, poor plan, big dreams in our hands. No cursed nation, we must rise and stand. Build the trust, heal the land, clean their heart, take a stand. No third world country, only people who must rise. When truth leads the nation, the future opens wide. Oh, rise and stand. Oh, heal the land. Oh, truth must lead the plan. No third world country, only people who must stand. History matters, yes, colonizers armed. Borders were broken, economies disarmed. But after the empire, what did we defend? Did we build the people or just steal again? Singapore had discipline, Rwanda rebuilt fast. Botswana showed that clean hands can last. Meanwhile, rich land stay poor in the street, because corruption and excuses still eat. Development is just written into deeds. Good schools, clean books, and honest seeds. A farmer must trust markets, a child must trust class. A worker must trust effort will not be robbed by the brass. When police want cash and judges can be bought, and public shame disappears when integrity is caught, then everybody learns to survive by deceit, and the whole nation limps on wounded feet. If the teacher is hungry, the classroom will bleed. If the worker is cheated, the nation plans greed. If the leader is selfish, the people lose faith. You cannot build tomorrow with corruption at the gate. No third world land, only minds asleep. When trust breaks down, the people weep. Rich land, poor plan, big dreams in our hands. No curse a nation, we must rise and stand. Build the trust, heal the land, clean their hearts, take a stand. No third world country, only people who must rise. When the truth leads the nation, the future opens wide. Oh, rise and stand. Oh, heal the land. Oh, truth must lead the plan. No third world country, only people who must stand. Teach the child truth, pay the worker fair. Punish the thief, let justice live there. Fix the school books, honor those who build. Raise the standard high, let the people be skilled. No miracle needed, no foreign hand, just clear minds and love for the land. Less empty speeches, more honest work. That is our nation, rises from the dirt. No third world land, only minds asleep. When trust breaks down, the people weak. Rich land, poor plan, big dreams in our hands. No cursed nation, we must rise and stand. Build the trust, heal the land, clean the heart,